Awaken your creativity. I'm Dr. Princess Iyase-Odozi, and so far we're listening to DIOKPA Victor Odozi talking on sensitive issue, ethical standards and ethical code in the visual art. So today
he's going to discuss or give us insights on managing ethical dilemmas in the visual art. So come with us. The various tips on managing ethical dilemmas in the visual art.
Very good. One, we should have an ethical code for the profession and the sector, and that sets minimum standards of conduct. So an individual confronted with a certain situation will not be left in any doubt about what the standard is. Secondly, the individual on his own should set out his own values, his own principles and beliefs, and ensure that if confronted with such a conflict, it takes a decision that is consistent with his values and beliefs. And thirdly, if one commits an ethical flaw, as we're all bound to do, because we are human beings, one should acknowledge that, make amends where possible, apologize to anyone who is hurt, and forgive ourselves, forgive the person should forgive himself, and move on, and ensuring that he does not repeat that flaw. As a final tip, you have the golden rule: do unto others as you want done by. If in a certain situation that somebody is involved, you want to do something to somebody, you put yourself in that person's position, empathize with him. How would you feel if you treated the way you want to treat the person? And this comes particularly in the area of acknowledgements and copyrights and all that. If you are copying somebody's work, how would you feel if the person copied your work without acknowledgement? The final point is, whatever decision you take, it must be such that gives you comfort long after you left the scene. So be mindful that if you do something wrong, it will haunt you forever. But if you've done something consistent with your beliefs, it's something that gives you comfort years after, then perhaps you've taken the right decision. There's always a cost, there's always a pain, but something that gives you cause to say, years after I did the right thing. It was painful, it was costly, but I'm happy I did the right thing.
We thank you very much, sir. We end this session also. I'm very grateful. The golden rule emerged again: do unto others as you want done by. So, all listening, I thank you so much for being part of this very important issue or conversation on ethical dilemmas. Focus on appropriation as a defining feature of the contemporary visual arts. So stay tuned till next session. Thank you so much.